Hi, my name is Grace Lewis and I'm presenting on the 2005 ACS Olympiad exam question number 41. And we're given this chart to solve the problem, which is a chart of half reactions and the standard reduction potentials of each reaction above or next to it. And the question is based on the standard reduction potentials above, which reactions are spontaneous. And so we have our option between chromium and iron, or copper and iron as well. And our options for our answers are going to be 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. And so from our textbook, this is going to be from 19.3 and 19.4, which is going to be standard reduction potentials and spontaneity of redox reactions under standard state conditions. And so we know to be spontaneous that the E cell of a reaction must be greater than 0, so it must be a positive number. Using the equation, E cell is the electrical potential of the cell is going to be the standard reduction potential of the cathode minus the standard reduction potential of the anode. And so using this knowledge, we can use our chart up here to analyze which one is going to be the oxidizer, which one will be the reducer, or which one will be oxidized, which one will be reduced in our reactions, and that'll allow us to calculate the E cell for each reaction. And so for the first equation, we know that the iron is going to be reduced because it goes from a charge of 3 plus to 2 plus. And so the chromium is going to be oxidized, which is also going to be the anode. It goes from 2 plus to 3 plus. And so then if we plug our standard reduction potentials into our equation, we get 1.177 volts, which would make it a spontaneous reaction. So now we can use a little bit of process of elimination. We can get rid of both B and D as options for this multiple choice problem. We know that it's at least going to be A or C. So, and then we do the same thing for reaction 2. And reaction 2 is going to be between copper and iron. The one being reduced is going to be the copper. It goes from a charge of 2 plus to just plus 1. And then the iron is going to be oxidized. It's going to be the anode because it gains or it increases in its charge. It goes from iron 2 plus to iron 3 plus. And so plugging in the values from our chart up here, I did not finish the math on that. Hold on one second. So it'll be 0.161 minus 0.769, which is going to be negative 6.8. Said that wrong too. Negative 0.608, which would make it a non-spontaneous reaction because the E cell is going to be negative. And so then we know that our answer to this question will be 1 only because that is the only reaction that is going to be spontaneous. Thank you.